Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha, and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing a fairly new release, the Astral Realms Crystal Oracle, Dark Moon Crystals and Prism Plus Fleur Design Studios. It is published by Rockpool and it retails for $21.95 in the US and $16.99 in the UK. As always, I am going to link down below in the description box where you can purchase this should you want to. I'm not affiliated, I'm not sponsored, just want you to find what you're looking for and give credit to where credit is due. Before we get into this, I just want to indicate that yes, I have band-aids on my thumb. It's going to be in a lot of videos, so I do apologize if you guys are distracted or think it's icky, but there's really no way around it. It was a kitchen mishap, and it's on the worst part that you could possibly have it on your finger. So, anywho, I apologize, and I'm okay, but yeah, you're just gonna have to deal with some band-aids. I apologize. So, the back says, a portal into the esoteric world of crystal healing and celestial influence. In this oracle, the symbolic imagery will cultivate a deeper connection to spirit. An immersive companion guidebook gives insight into and understanding about crystalline energies and universal principles, acting as an energetic link between the physical and spiritual realms. Astral Realms Crystal Oracle is a timeless, dimensionless tool that will answer your questions and expand your consciousness. So it's 33 cards and a 128-page booklet. I did take a look at the guidebook already just to kind of see if there's anything in there that you guys need to know. And there is some information that I would like to share with you real fast before we get into the cards. So there is, I should say, a great table of contents here. There is a beautifully done chakra explanation here and the indications and information. I was really impressed with that. So those of you who want a little more insight and learning the chakra system is right there, perfect for this. And then there are three different parts of the card. So every card's trifecta is powerfully linked. The insight that comes from the three facets of divination will give you a vastly more profound look into your current situation and provide different approaches to embrace. So there's the energetic signature, the crystal messenger, and the supporting element to look at, and it's on the card. So you'll see that. And then there's also some spreads. We've got a single, a 3-card, and then there was one more, a 5-card guidance spread. So I love different spreads because then you can kind of see what the author was wanting to do with the cards and so on and so forth. So let's get into it. Ooh, we got rose gold. We've got the rose gold not border, edges. All right, here is the back. Look at that. That is really pretty. I'm excited. I'm loving this like soft look. It gives me Danielle Noel vibes for sure. Okay. So this one, it's the Moonstone. Love that. All right, let's just talk about the cardstock real fast. It's not my favorite. It's a little thin, but we're going to just see how it shuffles and goes forward. It's not my favorite, but it'll do. I love how it has a chakra connected to it. We've got numbers up at the top. It is really pretty. Flower agate. That's something that you don't normally see in cards. Oh, I love moss agate. Hopefully you can see this. It's kind of delicate and soft. Oh, that's very cool. So it's not just a crystal. We've got some indicators too on here. I love that for deep knowing we have these pillars and the moon, very similar to the High Priestess in the tarot. That is cool. Oh, This is really neat. I'm enjoying this. Really. Oh my. Wow. Ooh, I love the pearls with the seashells there, clamshells, whatever you want to call them. Ooh, we've got fluorite. Aww. That's a new one. Super 7. Oh, labradorite. These are gorgeous. Larimar. Cute. Oh, these are really pretty. I'm gonna just continually say that, but like this was again one of those decks that I got on a whim. And I looked at it thinking it was something else and got excited, and then when I read it I was like, oh, it's not from that artist. It's not from Danielle Noel, but I mean, it's giving me the same kind of healing and beautifully lovely vibes that her decks give, and I'm just very pleased. All right, that's our last one. So let's see how it shuffles. Because I'm not knocking on the cardstock too hard because, it's not that much of an expensive deck. But, it has me wanting more. So I do apologize with my shuffling skills right now due to my thumbs. It's not going to be the most lovely thing to see. Oh, you know what? I'm not mad at this. It shuffles just fine. And sometimes that's all you need. As long as it shuffles and doesn't bend and like tear easy. All right. Can I get a card to read, please? Yeah, I don't have a problem with how it shuffles. I want more cards though, but I know that there's probably a reason for 33. Okay, just give me cards, please. There we go. We'll do the Sunstone. All right. So there's what it looks like again. So it says deep knowing and the sacral chakra. All right. Oh my gosh, I just flipped right to it. Okay, universe. So wisdom, focus, being centered. Deep knowing is intuitively based knowledge. On a profound level, a trusting of your gut, of trusting all your senses and trusting what cannot always be tangibly seen. There is no need to keep searching for the answers externally as they lie within you. You have the ability to unlock your own mysteries and ancient access ancient divine knowledge to invoke wisdom, surpass limitations, and receive powerful downloads to not only raise your own energetic vibrations, but also those of the collective. You will need to hold focus and allow space within your sacral chakra to remain open to receiving these vibrations. This is the center of your essence, emotional, creative, and sexual energies. By using Sunstone, you can begin to break these barriers, as Sunstone contains the energetic frequency of empowerment. Sunstone promotes self-healing. Oh my goodness, I cannot read today. And encourages you to sit within your intuitive, deep knowing self and stand strong within your confidence to trust what you feel yet cannot see. Ooh, activation guidance. Center yourself by lying comfortably on the ground with your eyes closed and placing Sunstone on your sacral chakra. Repeat the mantra below and allow Sunstone's bright, encouraging, energetic vibrations flow through your sacral chakra and break down any negativity or stressors you may be holding. And the mantra is, I am empowered with knowledge and wisdom from the divine and confident in my ability to sit in my unfaltering deep knowing. Oh, wow. I didn't know that there was activations. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I'm in love with this. I think this is awesome. I think this is a great way to connect crystals to chakra healing. There's got to be a way to include this with Reiki practice. This is great for a card a day pool. This is great for journaling. This is great for confirmation in tarot reading. This is great just all around. I'm super shocked at this because, again, like I said, it was kind of on a whim that I got it. It's beautiful, relatively inexpensive. The only disappointment is, to me, the cardstock. But you know what? It's not terrible. And I'm not really a cardstock snob, so that doesn't really bother me that much. But I know that you guys want to know how the cardstock feels and how it is and my opinion on it. So that's why I mention it. I am here for, by the way, the rose gold, gold on the side edges. I think this would go beautifully with any of the, in combination with like the Work Your Light Oracle, with the Starseed Oracle. This would go well with any of Danielle Noel's decks as well as any other decks. Very beautiful. I'm excited. Now I want to know what you guys think. Is this something that you're excited about too? Or is this a hard pass? Is it something you even didn't know about? Because like I said, it was kind of shocking to me too. So I would love to know what you think down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for all my other social media platforms and such. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.